Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is using the definition of bisect. To understand the concept, let's do some questions. The first one says solve angle HOP is bisected by OT. If measure of angle HOT is 15, find measure of angle TOP and measure of angle HOP. Before we solve the question, let's understand what do we mean by the word bisect. Bisect basically means to cut into two equal parts. Bi means two. So basically, whenever an angle is being cut by a ray, so we say it's being bisected or cut into two equal parts. If a line is being bisected by another line, that means that particular line is being cut into two equal parts. Using this definition, we will solve our questions. So now let's draw the rough angle that is given to us. This is HOP and the ray OT is cutting measure angle HOP. Since OT is bisecting, that means measure of angle HOT is equal to measure of angle TOP. We are given the measure of angle HOT as 15 degrees. This implies that measure of angle TOP is also 15 degrees because it's being bisected by ray OT. Therefore HOT is TOP. Now measure of angle HOP, that is a full angle, equals to measure of angle HOT plus measure of angle TOP. Measure of angle HOT is 15 degrees plus measure of angle TOP is also 15 degrees. Therefore measure of angle HOP is 30 degrees. These two are the values that we were supposed to find: measure of angle TOP and HOP. TOP and HOP. Now TOP is 15 and HOP is 30 degrees. This can be seen in option C. Let's try the next question. Solve line DT is bisected by MP. Now DT is bisected by MP. This is given to us. This means that DO is equal to OT. Now DO is given to us as 4x minus 15. This implies that OT is also 4x minus 15. Now let's find out the value of x to get the numeric value of OT. DT is given to us as 5x minus 3. So DO plus OT equals to DT. So we plug in the values 4x minus 15 plus 4x minus 15 equals to 5x minus 3. We combine the like terms. 4x plus 4x is 8x. Negative 15 minus 15 is minus 30 equals to 5x minus 3. First we add 30 to both sides. We get 8x minus 30 plus 30 equals to 5x minus 30 plus 30. This negative 30 plus 30 becomes 0. We have 8x equals to 5x plus 27. Subtracting 5x from both sides, we get 8x minus 5x equals to 5x minus 5x plus 27. This becomes 0. 8x minus 5x, 3x equals to 27. To find out the value of x, we divide by 3 on both sides and we get x equals to 9. So we've got the value of x as 9. Substituting, OT equals to 4x minus 15. 4 times 9 minus 15, that is 36 minus 15 equals to 21. So the value of OT is equals to 21. Let's try the next question. Solve angle SAD is bisected by ray AT. if SAD is 86, find measure of angle SAT and TAD. It's given that AT is bisecting angle SAD. So this implies that measure of angle SAT is equal to measure of angle TAD. Also, this tells us that SAD is being cut into two equal parts. That is, measure of angle SAD equals to 86 degrees. Since it's bisecting by 80, that means it is being cut into two equal parts, that is SAT and TAD, and the measure of each is going to be divided by 2, which is equals to 43 degrees. Therefore, measure of angle SAT equals to measure of angle TAD equals to 43 degrees. This can be seen in option B. I hope using the definition of bisect is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.